the lightest I've packed with makeup, and probably the only thing I'd wish I'd packed a couple more things of, because I did miss my my foundation and my an eyeshadow. I packed light, I tried to go minimal, and I actually had temporary permanent fake eyelashes put in about a month ago, and they've been so great because they've really cut down on my makeup routine. I actually don't really have any eyeshadow or anything right now, which makes, you know, it's really my lazy girl's hack, but that really helped me cut down on carrying a bunch of eye makeup as well. So in here you can see, oh, I have my travel hairbrush. Then I have just other makeup. My blush is kind of my essential thing. A really tiny gel brow, small little sample mascara just to top up, primer placed in a little reusable small container. I got a mini for my favorite NARS concealer, travel size blush brush. I didn't take any powder on this trip. My NARS lip gloss, which I'd like to find a travel size version. If you guys have one, please let me know. A small mini lipstick, a brush, just to brush out my eyelashes. A little, like, I'm not sure what this is for your face, but I like it, so I use it. An eyeliner, which I didn't really use. I knew I wasn't, but I wanted to have the option to make some backup eyeshadow or eyeliner in case I wanted to feel more dressed up, in an extra chapstick. So that's what's in my makeup. You may have more or less. This was really minimal for me, but I was very happy with pretty much everything I had. I had everything I needed, but you know, I could have gone for a couple more things just as a luxury, but not as a need. I will see you soon, and thank you again for tuning in.